In this video, I'll show you how to set up your TP-Link RE550 AC 1900 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS method. This is the quickest and easiest way to extend your existing Wi-Fi network without entering your wireless password. Let's get started. Step 1. Power on extender. First, plug the TP-Link RE550 into a power outlet near your router. Wait until the power LED becomes solid, indicating that the extender is ready for setup. Step 2. Press WPS button on router and extender. Now, first press the WPS button on your wireless router for 2 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on the RE550 for about 2 seconds. The extender will begin searching for your router and automatically establish a secure connection. Wait for the signal LED to stop blinking and turn solid. A solid signal LED means the WPS connection has been completed successfully. Step 3. Relocate extender. Once the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area where your Wi-Fi signal is weak. After relocating the extender, wait about 2 minutes. Check the signal LED. A solid blue or strong signal indication means the extender is in a good location. If the signal is weak, move the extender a little closer to your router for better coverage. Step 4. Connect to extender network. Now connect your phone, laptop, or other Wi-Fi devices to the extended network. By default, the extender uses the same Wi-Fi name as your router, network name followed by EXT. Use same Wi-Fi password as your existing Wi-Fi password to connect it. That's it. Your TP-Link RE550 AC 1900 range extender is now set up and ready to provide stronger Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home or office. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.